I'm a propose. Hold on. I'm a propose.
I'm not recording.
Yes, you are.
No, not right now. Oh,
Yes, it
sorry,
freaking
yeah.
is. Yeah. I'm a propose with this.
This is a hard
phone.
watch.
Watch. Right here. Right here.
This is a hard watch. I can't even watch. I can't even watch.
Yo, did he get it?
Yo, he got. Why did you when you open that shit, bro? Huh?
Yo.
Oh, thank you. Video.
Dude just got on his
He got down when you open this flip phone. That's for Savvy's number. I got mad respect for Kodo now. Oh my god, he's getting Savvy's number.
Yeah.
Does he actually not have a phone?
No, he does. That's what's his name.
Ready? Get him, ready.
Yo, someone say him out.
You were feeling that, right? Yeah. All right, we're at Alca Norte today. To be honest, my hair's kind of looking fine right now. Kind of a baddie right now. So I don't want to put the helmet on. I'm sure it'll be fine. Gonna ollie this pump right here. Okay, cue the 180 montage. Pretty close. Oh, the wind pushes my foot off.
4 dudes.
Run that back turbo.
4 dudes.
Yo, whose Chick-fil-A sauce is this? Can I take it?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Got the Chick-fil-A sauce. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ollie off this John. Oh. There's a board stuck in that tree. I'm gonna try to get it down.
So he's gonna break.
Wait, where is it?
It's right above you.
Oh, it's right above. Oh, bro, what?
I'm stuck in there. It is. Write it down.
Got the board.